In this video, I'll show you how to install the VirtualBox Extension Pack correctly. First, open VirtualBox. Click Help, then click About VirtualBox. Note the version number. Now open your browser and go back to virtualbox.org. Go to Downloads. Scroll down to VirtualBox Extension Pack. Download the extension pack with the same version number. Once downloaded, double-click the extension pack file. VirtualBox will open automatically. Click Install. Read the license, scroll down, and click I agree. If prompted, enter your administrator password. After installation, restart VirtualBox. Your extension pack is now installed and ready. USB, clipboard, and advanced features will now work correctly.